Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English podcast for beginners. Today, we will talk about an important life and money question. Should we go into business or should we work for a salary? Many people think business means freedom and big money. Other people think working means safety and stable income. But which one is better for your financial future? In this podcast, we will not say one is right and one is wrong. Instead, we will help you understand money, risk, skills, and mindset. This topic is very important, especially for young people, students, and workers who want to improve their personal finance skills. Let's start by understanding what working for a salary really means.
Thank you. Let's talk about working first. When you work for a company, you usually receive a fixed salary every month. This means you can plan your expenses, such as rent, food, and bills. Working also helps you learn professional skills, gain experience, build discipline, and understand how businesses operate. For beginners, working is often the best first step in personal finance. Why? Because you have lower risk. However, there is also a limitation. Your income is limited by time. If you stop working, the money usually stops too. So working gives security, but not always financial freedom.
Now let's talk about business. Starting a business means you create something of your own. It could be a shop, online business, service, or investment. Business has high potential income, but also high risk. In business, you must manage money, customers, marketing, time, and stress. Many people fail in business because they start without financial knowledge. But business also has power. If done correctly, business can create multiple income streams, grow without your direct time, and build long-term wealth. Business is not just about money. It is about problem solving and value creation.
Here is an important truth. It is not about business or work. It is about your personal finance skill. If you earn money but cannot save, budget, control spending, invest wisely, then both business and work will fail you. A worker with good money skills can become wealthy. A business owner with poor money skills can become broke. Before choosing business or work, ask yourself, can I manage my money well? Do I understand profit and loss? Can I delay pleasure to save money? Money skills come before money success.
Many successful people follow this strategy. Work first, learn, save, start business. Working gives you capital, starting money, experience, network, and confidence. You can start a small side business while working. This reduces risk and increases learning. This is a smart financial move, especially for beginners. Business should not be an escape from a bad job. Business should be a planned financial decision.
Let's talk about risk. Business risk is not bad, but uncontrolled risk is dangerous. Before starting a business, you should have emergency savings, 3 to 6 months expenses, no high-interest debt, and basic financial education. Working helps you build this safety net. Remember, cash flow is oxygen for both workers and businesses. Without cash flow, stress increases and decisions become emotional. Financial safety gives you clear thinking.
Working and business require different mindsets. Employee mindset: focus on stability, follow systems, trade time for money. Business mindset: focus on growth, solve problems, build systems. You can learn a business mindset while working. Read books, listen to podcasts, and learn from experience. Do not rush. Financial success is a long-term game.
So, should we go into business or work? The best answer is start with work, build skills, Then choose business when ready. There is no shame in working. There is no shortcut in business. Financial success comes from knowledge, discipline, patience, and smart decisions. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this podcast, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next episode.